Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up a sale order series in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Setup module, expand Configuration, and open Setup Sale Order Series. This screen allows you to create and manage different sale order series based on your business requirements, enabling you to organize and track sales orders more efficiently. Let's create a new sale order series and then save the data. The sale order series has been created. Now, let's move to the sale order module and see how this newly created series appears while creating a sales order. In the order number column drop-down, you can see that the newly created series is now reflected. To enable the order number column in the sales order header window, make sure that in Configuration, under Column Lock Settings, the order number column is unchecked. This ensures that the column will be visible in the sales order window. Now, let's proceed to generate a sales order under the newly created sales order series and verify how this series can be utilized in sales order report tracking. The sales order has now been generated. Next, head to the Order Reports section and open the Pending Sales Order Report. The Report Filter panel on the right side provides several filtering options that can be used to refine the report results. To track sales orders based on their series, select the Sale Order filter. In this window, you will find the order number column, where all the available sales order series are displayed. This order number filter is available across all sales order reports. Now, let's select the newly created series and generate the report. As shown, the report has been successfully generated based on the selected sales order number series.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.